First thing you want to do is make sure you have all the components listed on the packing slip. If the track was shipped directly from ADC, it has been pre-punched with mounting holes for the spindles and idlers. If the holes are not present, drill 3/8" holes at their intended location. Make sure the track is overlapped correctly. The live end half of the track should be on the outside or front of the curve, and the dead end half should be on the inside of the curve. Slide the live end pulley over the top flange of the track. Secure the pulley to the track using a 1/2" socket or wrench. Slide the dead end pulley over the top flange of the track. Secure the pulley to the track using a 1/2" open end wrench or socket. Drill a 3/16 hole in front of the live end pulley for the 1309 end stop. You do not need to drill a hole in front of the dead end pulley. Locate the 1309 end stop and separate it into two halves as shown. Attach the 1309 end stop to the track using the pre-drilled hole as shown. Secure the end stop to the track with a flathead screwdriver. The end stop should be installed as shown. Drill a 3/8 hole at the end of both tracks at the center overlap for the 1409 end stops. Do not install the end stops at this time. Divide the 4201 single carriers in half and install half the carriers on the live end and half the carriers on the dead end track sections. Insert a master carrier into each half of the track system. Make sure the cable clamps are facing the inside of the curve. Install the 1409 end stops to the pre-drilled track holes in the track. Note that the live end half end stop fits between the two track sections. Once installed, secure the end stops to the track with a 1/2" socket wrench. Locate the 1458 spindles. These are the ones with both a wheel and a roller, and remove the nut and star washer from the assembly for mounting. Install the 1458 spindles on the inside of the live end half of the track system. Secure the spindle to the track using a 1/2" socket wrench. Be sure and use all the spindles provided with the system. Locate the 1459 and 1460 spindle and idlers. The 1459 spindle has a single roller and the 1460 has a single wheel. Remove the nut and bolt from the 1460 idler. Remove the nut only from the 1459 spindle. Install the 1459 on the inside and the 1460 on the outside of the curve of the dead end track section. Secure the devices to the track using a 1/2 inch open end wrench. Be sure and install all the spindles and idlers provided with the system. Place the coil of cord on the floor below the live end pulley. Tape the cut ends of the cord to make it easier to thread. Thread the cord over the top wheel of the live end pulley under the cord guard. Continue threading the cord through the 1458 spindles between the top wheel and the inside cord guard. When you reach the overlap, thread the cable through the nearest cord connector of the master carrier installed on the dead end track section. Pull about 6 inches of additional cable through the cord connector and then secure the cord to the master carrier using a flathead screwdriver. Next, we need to preload the floor pulley spring as shown. Thread the remaining end of the cord coil around the floor pulley wheel and up and around the bottom wheel of the live end pulley. Continue the cord around the rollers of the 1458 spindles. When you reach the master carrier of the live end track section, thread the cord through both the cord connectors, but do not tighten the cord connector screws at this time. Continue the cord through the 1409 end stop and around the outside of the 1460 idlers. When you reach the dead end pulley, thread the cord around the pulley and then continue the cord around the rollers of the 1459 spindles. You should now be at the remaining cord connector of the master carrier of the dead end track section. Thread the cord through the connector, remove all slack from the system, tighten the cord connector bolt, and cut off any excess cord. Move the master carrier on the live end track section to its overlap position near the end of its track, and tighten the cord connector bolts. This will fix the master carrier to the operating cord. The last thing to do is to release the floor pulley spring to add additional tension to the cord. Operate the system several times before installing the curtain to make sure that it operates freely.